In this video, I will show you how to set up Shopify forms on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to Apps and open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Shopify Forms and install the official Shopify Forms app. Once installed, open the app from your dashboard. Click on Create Form to start building your form. Now choose the type of form you want, such as email sign-up, discount pop-up, or customer contact form. After that, give your form a name so you can easily manage it later. Next, customize your form by editing the fields like name, email, or any additional questions you want to collect. You can also adjust the design, colors, and display settings to match your store's theme. Then set where you want the form to appear, such as homepage, product pages, or as a pop-up. Once everything is ready, click Save and Publish. Your form will now be active on your store and start collecting customer information automatically. That's it. Your Shopify forms are now set up and ready to use.